Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you two simple ways to multiply numbers in Excel. First, let's try the basic multiplication formula, which looks like this. When I press enter, Excel calculates it for us. We get 50 as our result in cell D2. This formula just takes the value in B2 and multiplies it by the value in C2. Click and drag the fill handle down to apply the formula to the cells below. Excel will automatically update each row. Next, let's try the product function. This does the same thing, but it's a dedicated function for multiplication. Formula looks like this. Now, when I hit enter, I get the same result, 50 in cell D2. Both formulas work great for multiplying numbers, but the product function can also handle more values at once if you need it. And that's it. Now you know two quick ways to multiply numbers in Excel. Try it out, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.